Some of you may think that BIM is pretty new, even for me. The first time that I heard the acronym was about 10 years ago. Maybe a few of you have been familiar with the term a bit longer. But even though it may surprise you to learn that the research around optimizing the building process is rich and complex, with participants from the United States, Western Europe, and the Soviet bloc's country, starting back in the early 60s. Yes, it's been a while that they have been working to improve the building industry from CAD drawings in 1982, and yes, I can picture some of you are smiling right now. This transition had its detractors back then, same as today. Considering that our ancestors have been drawing by hand for centuries, computer aids were an amazing revolution. And who wants to go back to hand drawings now? Nobody, except some last dinosaur who haven't started the transition to CAD. Without a doubt, hand-rendered drawings are beautiful, but they are extremely slow to create. And who has the time? Let's go back to our acronym BIM, Building Information Modeling. The official term BIM first appeared in 1992, and yet this process wasn't ready. So what about now? Well, we are getting closer to integrated engineering where everyone reports to a single leader. BIM asks people in the building industry to clearly communicate with any number of companies, be it 2 companies or 50. They may have different ambitions and different visions, but with BIM, they will all be working together, sharing their information through the common data environment. So the concept of building information modeling is not so new, and over the course of 20 years, different standards have been developed around the world in order to facilitate the building industry in implementing BIM effectively.